Afternoon, welcome. This is JAMB year 2014 government pass question. Question number 23 says the general strike of the 1945 was caused primarily by the dash. The general strike of the 1945 was caused primarily by the dash. A. Harshness in trade laws as concerns the Africans. B. Government's rejection of a demand for an increase of 50% in cost of living allowance. C. Persistent implementation of discriminatory laws. D. Disparity in the criteria for employment. So the primary causes of the 1945 general strike was the harshness of trade laws as it concerns the African, because the law actually against the African people. So option A is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.